is item number 10862 with M&M Equipment Corp. Here we have a BIRO AFMG 56 mixer grinder. This features all stainless steel construction. Has a 400-pound capacity hopper. A brand new piston for the lid. I'll lift it up. Nice and smooth action. Bring it down. Has a 15 horsepower auger motor and a 5 horsepower mixer motor, all running off of 208 volts, 3-phase. Here we'll show you mix. This is the mixing arms. Now we stop it, turn to grind. We'll start with the timer. So it'll run, stop, and run again. And you can also run the grind with the auger. This is a beautiful machine, recently refurbished and ready to ship. This is item number 10862 with M&M Equipment Corp.